Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Upwork as a freelancer in USA, complete guide step by step clearly. To start your journey as a freelancer on Upwork, visit the Upwork website. Click on the sign up button located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Choose the option to sign up as a freelancer. You have the option to create your account using your email address, Google account, or Apple ID. If you choose to sign up with your email, enter your email address and click Get Started. Next, you'll be prompted to create a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. Once you've created your password, click Sign Up. You will then receive a confirmation email from Upwork. Open this email and click the verification link to confirm your account. After verifying your email, return to the Upwork login page. Enter your email and password, then click Login. You'll now be directed to the Upwork profile setup page. Begin by filling in your first and last name. Select your location as the United States. Next, choose the category that best fits your freelance skills. You can also add other categories that you might be interested in. Once you've selected your categories, describe your skills in a brief overview. Make sure to highlight your experience and what makes you unique. Now set your hourly rate. Research rates in your area to determine a competitive price. Upwork may suggest a rate based on your skills and experience. After setting your rate, complete the additional profile sections. This includes your education and a summary paragraph of your services. Consider adding any relevant certifications or qualifications. Upload a professional profile photo next. Make sure the image is clear and represents you well. Once you finish all these sections, click Submit Profile. You will now need to verify your identity before starting to apply for jobs. This may involve submitting an ID or undergoing a video verification process. Follow the prompts to complete this step. Once verified, you can start exploring job listings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.